What's up, guys? Welcome back. Super Saiyan 4 Goku looking absolutely cold as ice. He never looks this intense. There's something real dark about Super Saiyan 4. It's cool. I'm on a landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. And we'll start with his eyes. They're very thin, serious looking eyes. So we'll start with the eyebrow. We'll do our check mark. Going back this way. Now this disappears underneath his hair, so you can't see all of this. What we'll do, maybe we'll just end it there. And then it goes back down to the front. And because we're sort of base form, this eyebrow will be black colored. Anyway, we'll just do the other one first. We have that frown in the middle, actually, that sort of W sort of shape that they all have. Like that kind of thing. And the other eyebrow comes out from there. Probably a little bit 3/4 pose, but we'll go up and then curve it down. Get thinner as we go down. Okay, and then I will color these black. Okay, square eyes. Now they're very slender, right? So we'll go with the small line, just say here, real small. And then the long line is there. And then we curve them together. Like so. And then those very yellow, very thin iris lines there. And then his pupil, barely visible under there. And then we have the red that goes around the eye. Now you can draw this in first if you want, but of course if not, you could just color red around, like so. His hair cuts this off anyway, so don't worry too much about it. The hair comes like down across. Right, so then the other eye, very small, again, tiny little dot sort of there, and then the other side. And we will join these together with a curve. And then that semicircle. And then the really thin pupil. And then the red. Box that sort of lines his eye when he's in this form. So we got cheek lines. So, you know, those hatching sort of lines that they have just light sort of cheek lines. Like so. And there might be a wrinkle or two around his nose as well, which makes him look even more intense. And then his nose, so it's like just right of center, right? So it's like this little hook that's sort of, or like a question mark, you know, sort of like that. But they draw in the bridge in the nose on the side, or the shadow for the nose, sort of like this, like a little triangle just on the side. And then a serious downturned mouth. So it's kind of just flat here at first, but then we hook it down either side, right? So he looks severe. It's like a cheek line there. And then there's some frown lines kind of up here, you know, the forehead kind of thing. So his hair covers a good bit of his face, but we can see his chin. And then this goes to his jaw. Like this side, the hair covers. So we'll just leave that one like that. And then we'll do the one that we can see. So just up towards his ear. And it's about mouth level and like underneath the edge of his eye that it changes its direction. It goes up like that. And then hair spikes. We can see a bit of his ear, but we got to do this hair spike first. So coming out from about here, we'll come down around, and it covers some of this eye, right? So that kind of has a hair spike covering, and then his ear just inside, and just some ear lines. And his hairline goes either side of this. Is that one spike? I think that's just one spike. I'm not sure. Looks like two. But let's see. We'll go up, across, down, like that. They do put textures on it. There's a big one that goes this way. So it's like coming across his chest a bit. Right, and then there's like a little one onto his face. Then coming from behind his neck, I think this is his neck anyway, it could just be hair. Get another one. Right, so then we get like ones that sort of come out, right? So it goes this way. And then up. And in. And then there's one that goes behind his shoulder here somewhere. And then over this side we go that way. There, and then there's one in between these two. Sorry about that. And then up this way. And then we go, there's another one going this way. Yeah, and then I think that's it. There's some like behind his hand here, but we'll just do some textures on it. Just follow each hair spike. You know, just like this. Sort of following the shape for each one. Like a little thing here. Right. Okay. So we'll deal with this half and then we'll do the hand, right? So his chest. So say we got like neck muscles just coming down this way, right? And your chest always comes out from these two neck muscles. Okay. And then top of his chest just goes underneath this hair. And then the bottom of his chest muscles, his pecs, comes around. And this one is shorter because it's turned away from us. It goes behind his arm here. Like so, and then his belly, and he's kind of like furry, you know, because he's Super Saiyan 4, right? And like his back is like there. So we can see abs. It's like all textures and stuff. And then, so shoulder. Just that side. Kind of furry. And he's got two fingers, right, pointing towards us. So, it's the easiest way. So say the palm of his hand is just here. You have this W shape, right? This double bump for this part of the hand. And he's doing this sort of thing, right? So this bump here, and the thumb comes across it. So his thumb will be here. Have a square shape, sort of a bit curvy. And then the top of it bumps around. And then his thumbnail, that way. And some like knuckle lines. And then this, your thumb always joins your index finger, so it goes up this way. And his index finger is extended. So we'll go up. Like that, and then up again. For the next one. It's just got some skin lines, kind of. Your fingers have 3 segments usually. Well, if you're a human, it has 3 segments. And then, so these 2 are sticking up. And then these 2 are folded over. So we just have knuckles. Like that. And then his pinky sort of just comes down. And then the next one. So you got it, it's kind of just a floating hand at the minute. So you got to like connect it all back here. But when an arm comes towards a camera, like when it points toward, everything gets sort of shorter and rounder. So we can see his wristband just curving around here. Okay. And his elbow, kind of pointy, sticks out this way. And then we have forearm muscles that curve around, right? It's all going to go around the hand. Like his bicep and everything. So it's all foreshortened. So it just looks like a circle sort of shape. Just sort of going around his hand, really. And then his deltoid muscles, so he's quite muscly, so they're high up. Like that. And then we have another hair spike here, actually. Do 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 do. All right. I think that's everything. It's a cool image of Goku. Looks intense. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.